What exactly is the observable universe? The term observable universe means the portion of the universe that is accessible to us to observe and study using telescopes and other instruments. However, this capability is constrained by light, the main source of information about the universe. Light can only move at a certain speed. This speed limits our ability to observe events and things that are occurring at a certain distance from us that cannot be seen directly, things or occurrences that happened a long time ago in the past. The diameter of the observable universe is thought to be roughly 93 billion light-years, which is significantly larger than the estimated age of the universe, which is 13.8 billion years. This discrepancy is because the universe's expansion has caused items that were previously close together to move in different directions, and light from those items required additional time to reach us. Overall, the observable universe is a vast and fascinating space, but there's still much we don't know about it. However, through the use of telescopes, such as NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and other scientific instruments, we keep learning more about the structure, composition, and history of the universe, as well as its various phenomena. Join us as we discover the new structures that the James Webb Space Telescope has just made contact with at the limits of the observable universe. If you're interested in keeping up to date with news from the universe and its surroundings, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell now. What lies beyond the observable universe? To reach the far reaches of the observable universe, we would need to create transportation methods that would allow us to move beyond space-time, such as by utilizing engines with distortion or wormholes. These concepts have long been the subject of debate among scientists, some of whom believe that these are simply impossible or refute the notion of faster-than-light speed travel. The feasibility of both possibilities, faster-than-light travel and the use of advanced technology beyond the reach of current human intelligence, is one of intense debate. Even if it were theoretically possible, it would require machinery and advancements in technology that are currently beyond our capabilities. The theory of cosmic inflation posits that the total size of the universe is at least 10 to the power of 23 times larger than the observable universe. This number is so vast that it is incomprehensible to the human mind. Since we cannot see or measure the unobservable part of the universe, we have no way of knowing with certainty what lies beyond its limits. However, that does not mean we cannot develop theories based on the information we have. This is a collection of galaxies from far away where NASA, in collaboration with other space agencies and research institutions around the world, has made numerous substantial contributions to our understanding of the universe. Even before the James Webb Space Telescope became operational in the current year, NASA had already released images of the ultra-deep field obtained with the Hubble Space Telescope. However, when the James Webb Space Telescope debuted, it was tasked to observe the most distant galaxy ever recorded. These images revealed the presence of numerous shining galaxies in the faraway universe. It would appear that they formed millions of years after the Big Bang occurred, approximately 13.8 billion years ago. The expansion of the cosmos causes the light to appear redder in wavelengths, which allows the James Webb Space Telescope to detect infrared light. This has allowed us to observe galaxies forming in the early stages of the universe's history. The James Webb Space Telescope has made observations of several fields of distant galaxies, allowing researchers to investigate the rate at which stars formed in the early universe. These data reveal the existence of a significant population of galaxies that were forming stars in the early stages of the universe. These discoveries are truly fascinating and thought-provoking. People have thought for a long time about the possibility that we are not alone in this vast universe. However, these new determinations within the observable universe lead us to believe that there must be millions of galaxies in the unobservable portion of the universe. This idea is truly shocking and awakens a feeling of wonder and awe at the vastness of the cosmos. Are there extraterrestrial beings somewhere in the universe? The likelihood of life beyond Earth has never been more compelling, leading us to consider the possibility of the existence of extraterrestrials. There are numerous planets outside our solar system, called exoplanets, have been discovered using techniques such as the transit method and the radial velocity method. Some of these exoplanets may have similar features to Earth's and may harbor life. This theory has been supported by a second discovery made thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, related to the exoplanet WASP 96b. This planet, which is not part of our solar system, and its light spectrum reveals something surprising: the presence of water molecules. The spectrum also shows clouds and haze, hints that were not previously thought to exist on a planet that is habitable, based on environments that are habitable elsewhere in the universe. Taking into account the advancements in the hunt for exoplanets, it is a difficult possibility to rule out that extraterrestrial life exists beyond our planet. Although we do not yet have discoveries of conclusive evidence, evidence suggests that the existence of extraterrestrial life is a fascinating possibility. What about the multiverse in relation to the vastness of the observable universe? Let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. The concept of the multiverse, also known as the many worlds interpretation, is a theoretical idea in physics and philosophy that suggests the existence of multiple dimensions or parallel universes beyond our own. The multiverse is mainly discussed in relation to quantum physics, which deals with the behavior of tiny particles, such as atoms and subatomic particles. In the opinion of some theories about quantum physics, an observation can result in a quantum system collapsing into a single state. However, in the many worlds interpretation, the act of observation simply leads to the system breaking up into multiple states, each of which is a different outcome. It is important to note that the idea of the multiverse remains highly speculative and is not yet supported by conclusive evidence. It is difficult to state with certainty whether it is a valid concept or not. Some scientists and philosophers find the idea of the multiverse fascinating and possibly useful in explaining certain phenomena, while others are unsure whether it is true due to the fact that we do not know what lies outside of our universe. The multiverse's existence continues to be as valid as the well-known Schrödinger's cat, either in the nature of the experiment or in darkness. It is a concept that arouses fascination and reflection, but requires additional data and research to be confirmed. Does the phenomenon known as dark flow exist? The question is complex and raises an intriguing issue. Dark flow came about in 2008 as a possible explanation for the finding that some galaxy clusters appear to move quicker than anticipated, based on the distribution of matter in the universe. Dark flow is an idea that suggests these galaxy clusters may be influenced by some form of dark matter or dark energy that draws them in one particular direction. However, the existence of dark flow remains controversial and has not yet been accepted by the scientific community as a whole. According to some studies, dark flow may be real and could be caused by the presence of a universe-wide massive structure that attracts clusters of galaxies. However, other studies have failed to confirm the existence of dark flow and have proposed that the observed motion of galaxy clusters could be the result of additional factors, like systematic errors in the detected ones, while other studies suggest its possible existence. We are unable to guarantee its presence outside the observable universe. More research and evidence are needed to learn more about this fascinating phenomenon. What do you think? Let us know. Keep in mind to like and subscribe in the comment section. And see you in the next video. One of the most intriguing mysteries in cosmology is the nature of dark matter and dark energy, which together constitute approximately 95% of the universe. Dark matter, which accounts for approximately 27%, and the remainder being dark energy, 68%. Despite their immense influence on the structure and evolution of the cosmos, we have yet to directly detect either of these mysterious components. The direction in which our knowledge of the universe is headed is bright, and every discovery opens up new research possibilities. The universe, in all of its expansiveness and complexity, is a testament to the wonders of scientific exploration. Whether it's uncovering the mysteries of dark matter, detecting signs of alien life, or investigating space's very fabric itself, the search for understanding the cosmos will likely continue to shape human history from ancient times to the future.